Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the master slides in Google Slides. Now, I understand that a lot of you, this is a brand new skill. So that means that you have to learn about it first before just trying to attempt to use the master slides. That's where GCF Learn Free comes in. This is very important to actually read through the information to learn how to use master slides first, and then you can do the challenge. All right, so if you scroll through here, you're going to see all the information on master slides, and then you've got some great graphics that will show you how to use the master slides. And then you're going to do the challenge. So I'll show you how to do the challenge today to give you a heads up on how to complete this assignment. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I use a master slide anyway? So what is a master slide? The master slide actually changes the appearance of the rest of the slides in your presentation. Let's say you have like 30 or 50 slides. You don't have to go through and change the text color and change the font and change the size on each of your slides. You can actually use the master slide to do that. So in my challenge, I have to download the example file for number 1, and then I have to make a copy of it. I've already made a copy, but let me show you how to do this. So here you go to File, Make a Copy, and it will automatically open up a copy that you can edit on your screen. Next, I need to open the master template editor and make sure to select the master slide at the top. Okay, so for most of you, this is brand new. It doesn't tell you how to do that. So how would you have learned how to do that? You have to read the information above the challenge. So if I go above here, it will tell me how to use the master template. But since we're here, I'm going to show you on the screen how to do this. So in my slides, I'm going to go to Slide and Edit Master. And it's taking a moment to think. All right, so here are my master slides. These are my masters. These are my slides in my presentation. So I don't type any content on these master slides right here. I type all my content in over here. All right, so it wants me to select the very first slide in the masters. That's right here. This is your master slide. Any changes I make to this slide are going to change to the rest of the slides in my presentation. Next direction says to change the background color to teal from the theme colors. So this is just like you would with any other presentation, except you're doing it to the master slides. So if I go to background and I look at my colors, I'm going to choose a theme color that looks like teal. It doesn't specifically say teal, but this is the one that looks most like teal to me. And I'm going to click on Done. Next step, I'm going to change the master title font to Times New Roman and the font color to white. So looking at my master slide, I'm going to change this font color to white. So master title font to Times New Roman and the color white. So I need to also change it to Times New Roman. All right, next, I need to change the font color of the rest of the text to black. So I'm going to go to my slide master, and right now my text is a gray color, so I'm going to change it to black. And if I, let's see here, select all of these. My mouse isn't quite working to select all of them right now, so I'm going to hit Control A on my keyboard, and that actually will select all of them for me. And I am going to change the font color to black. Where's my font color? There it is, to black. Okay, so now my title is white and Times New Roman, and the rest of the font in the slide is black. All right, select the first layout slide, the title slide in the master editor. So that's this one right here. This is the title slide. Change the alignment of the master title and the master subtitle to right align. So I'm going to select these and I'm going to right align them. And this one, I'm going to right align it. and drag the title and subtitle so they are near the bottom right of the slide. So I'm going to drag this down to the bottom right. And again, I am not working with my slides, I'm working with the masters. So that will change all of the slides at once. Add a short horizontal line below the subtitle and change the line color to yellow and line weight to 4. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my line. I'm going to draw a line below here. It wants me to change that line color to yellow. Do you notice if I put my mouse over it, it says line color? That's a screen tip right there. Change it to yellow, and the direction said to 4 point. So line color, line weight is 4 px. And then close the master slide. When you're finished, your first slide in your presentation should look something like this. Alright, so if I go back here, I'm going to go ahead and close out my master slides. And here is my presentation. Here's what it should look like. I did not change these slides themselves. I changed the master so that if I were to add a new slide down here, it's automatically going to have all of the editing that I put on the master slides.